Hello everyone. Today we are going to start Science Class 3, The World of Birds, Part 4. In this part, we are going to understand feet and claws. Let's get started. Birds have 2 feet. Most birds have 4 claws. Claws have long curved nails. Birds use their claws to sit on trees. They use their feet and claws in walking, climbing, holding food, swimming and perching. They use their feet and claws to protect themselves. The feet and claws of birds are suited to their feeding habits and ways of life. Different birds eat different types of food, so they need to find their food. For that, they have different feet and claws. Different birds have different habits, and so the feet and claws also differ in shapes and sizes. So let's have a look on different types of birds having different types of claws. Perching birds. The first one is perching birds. Perching birds are the birds who sit on trees. These birds have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They hold and grip the branches of tree firmly with the help of their toes. Sparrows, crow, mynas are such birds. Next type is preying birds. The birds who prey and catch other animals. So, for catching and holding their prey and to carry it away, they have to have strong, curved and sharp claws. So, they need strong, curved and sharp claws. The sharp claws of preying birds are called talons. Kite, vultures, owls, eagles, these are such birds having such type of claws. Next is climbing birds. Birds climb on tree. They have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. This helps them in climbing the tree. Parrots and woodpeckers are climbing birds. 2 toes in the front and 2 at the back. Next is scratching birds. Scratching birds who scratches the ground. These birds use their claws to scratch the ground and to find out buried seeds and insects to eat. For this, they have to have sharp and hard claws to help them in digging. 3 long toes in front and 1 short at the back. Hens and partridge are scratching birds. Now let's have a look on wading birds. These birds walk in the shallow water with their long legs in search of food. Their legs help them in walking in the shallow water and finding their food. Wading birds have thin legs with wide spreading toes. Cranes, flamingos and herons are such birds. They have wide spreading toes. Now, let's have a look on swimming birds. Swimming birds swim in the water. They have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They have special webs of skin between the toes. Such feet are called webbed feet. So these webbed feet help them in swimming the water. They push the water away and act like a paddles of a boat. They are the fast swimmers, but they walk very slowly on land. Ducks, geese, and pelicans are such birds. In a nutshell, we have learned perching birds, praying birds, climbing birds, scratching birds, wading birds, and swimming birds. Let's have a look on this activity. Write true and false. A hoopoe has a long cylinder and curved beak. Well, that's true. A hoopoe has a long cylinder and curved beak. Next is perching birds catch and hold their prey and carry it away. Is this true? No. Perching birds do not catch and hold their prey. So who does this? It's a praying bird. Flamingos and heron are scratching birds? No, hen is a scratching bird. Sparrows have strong, sharp and hooked beak. There is no need of a hooked beak for a sparrow. So it's false. Sparrows doesn't have hooked beak, right? Parrots are climbing birds. Well, that's true. Parrots are climbing birds. Wading birds walk in shallow water. Yes. So, students, today we have learnt about the different types of feet and claws. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.